name Usain Bolt, somebody who is considered as the fastest runner in the world till recently, who won so many gold medals in 3 continuous Olympics. He had a natural ability, but then that alone was not the reason why he went on to become a legend in the history. It was because he prepared his lungs and legs in order to face the competition. But it was not just it happened only because of the kind of preparation that he did. Just 9 seconds of running, but then for that so many years of preparation, controlling the diet and continuous practice, so many hours of practice day in and day out, morning, afternoon, evening, and not eating all that he likes. So it was a combination or combination of all that efforts we see in the track and field for just 9 seconds. But then for that 9 seconds, so many years of practice. Now the point is, children, if you wanted to achieve something worthwhile in your life, you need to prepare. It may not be the immediate result that is matters, but then your preparation will help you to be a winner.
Secondly, here are some national news. As a part of Operation Agile, more Indian citizens are brought back to India from Israel through the special flight. This is the 5th flight so far. France is accepted to enroll 30,000 Indian students by 2030. Congress releases the list of 39 candidates for Mizoram Assembly.
To each and everyone present here in this morning assembly, respected father, members of the teaching staff, and all my dear Bosconians, I will pay of class 5 is standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic sun. The sun is very important for us. It gives us plenty of light and heat so that we can survive. The sun is about 110 times bigger than the earth. The sun is located at a distance of 150 million kilometers far from earth. The sun is entirely made up of gases. The sun gives us heat and as well as energy which is essential for our life.
One of the days education is a foundation of success. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Now I would like to call our honorable principal, Father Awasin, to address that.
There are 3 things that makes us not to perform to our potential in life as a student. One is our indecisiveness. That means we are unable to decide things that are important. We are not able to say yes or no to certain things, and then we are very indecisive, not capable of deciding what is important and then going ahead with that. And it is often said it is in decision making that we build our future. If you are a student who is capable of taking strong, good decisions which will help you to develop your personality and your academics and discipline, then definitely we have a bright future. So that is one thing. That is, whenever we are in the science field, we are not able to perform to our potential. And the second problem that many of the students face is procrastination. That we often postpone things that we are supposed to do on time. If I am supposed to do certain things today, I think I can do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and then we go on, keep postponing those things. Whatever we are supposed to do, students, we are supposed to do it today itself. The moment you keep it for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the work is always harder because tomorrow's work will be there, and again day after tomorrow work will be there, and then all those together, it will be very difficult for us to do it together. So that procrastination is a big problem for any of the person who really want to perform. Either you are a student or if you are a person who is holding some job or anything for that matter, you keep accumulating your work whenever you postpone things. So whatever we are supposed to do today, we try to finish it up today itself, and that is how things will turn out to be for better.
Good morning to everyone, respected father, members of the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and you all, my dear Bosconians. I, Pallavi Das from class 5B, standing in front of you to deliver the news headlines of the last 24 hours. PM Modi inaugurated rupees 4,200 crore worth of development projects in Uttarakhand. India aims to have its space station by 2035, announced the government in a meeting chaired by PM Modi. Israel thanked India for its continued support in the fight against Hamas, saying Israel fighting India's threat. Lastly, here are some sport news. World Cup 2023, Australia kept their hopes of reaching the semi-finals alive after beating Sri Lanka by 5.
A very good morning to all and all present here. Short speech on the topic, our environment. Well, our environment consists of all living things as well as their surroundings. A healthy environment is one that is sustainable for a long period of time. It is the source of life for everyone. It directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. The good or bad quality of our life is depending on the quality of our natural environment. Our need for food, water, shelter, and other things depends on the environment around us. At last, I would like to say that environment is very essential for the living being of the world. Therefore, it is our duty to keep our environment clean. Thank you and have a nice morning, everyone. Today's thought for the day is the harder you work for something and the greater you feel when you achieve it. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I would like to congratulate our class 5B for the way they conducted the assembly. It was good. So congratulations to everyone. Children, one quality that we can always keep in mind to cultivate is to remain always humble in our life. Humility is one quality that all of us we want to have you, whomever you are. That Solomon said, the tree that bears maximum fruit is the one that bends to the ground. The tree that bears maximum fruit is the one that bends to the ground. However good you are in certain things, you should be always remain humble in whatever you, how you speak to others, how you encounter others, how you deal with others. Sometimes we have seen children, they become so arrogant, so pride in whatever they do. Sometimes they are maybe talented, good in certain things, but then those qualities should make us to be very, very humble. You look at any of the world leaders, people who achieve great things in life, maybe the scientists, the engineers and all, they have achieved so much actually. They have known worldwide, even person like Isaac Newton or things. In most of the great people, you will find they remain always very, very humble. Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Abraham Lincoln, any great leaders you take, they always remain very, very humble. That's one quality we should always have.
Father, sister, teachers, and your my Bosconians. I, the Sophia on my side. Today, I'm standing in front of you to host today's morning assembly. Now, I request my pastors for the morning prayer. So I request Nana for the page. Yes, Secretary. All Indian sir. My brother and sister. I love my country. And I'm proud of each and her heritage, culture, language, and religion. So, I would like to call upon Bella for the importance of today's day in history.
Good morning, everyone. Present here, respected principal, sister, teachers, senior, my dear Bosconians. Myself, Father Khatun from class 5B. Today I am here to deliver the importance of today's day in history. October 20 is the 293rd day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. There are 72 days remaining until the end of this year. 20 October is celebrated as National Solidarity Day to honor the armed force. On this day in 1962, China had attacked India and the war went until 21 November 1962. On this day in 1864, U.S. President Abraham Lincoln declared Thanksgiving Day as a national holiday.
Thank you, Bella. You give us knowledge, so I request Rishti to deliver us the information of last 24 hours. Good morning, to everyone present here, respected father, sister, and all my dear friends. Myself, Rishti Puri from class 5B, standing in front of you to deliver today's news headlines of last 24 hours. Here are some international news. Google lists of 40 to 45 brightest people from its new division report. Israel shares charts showing hierarchy of feminist leadership. Potential deadly bacteria spotted in Florida nearly one. Israel Hamas war. Facebook rolls out measure to limit unwanted comments. UK sparking revenue is hoping rupees 20,000 crores report. Nokia to lay off 14,000 employees due to 90% delay in sales. Now here are some national news. See turning red in Puducherry. One national center for coastal regions begins investigation. Traffic police held
in Bengaluru. India's UPI system leading in cross-border payment as treasury official. Here are some sport news. World Cup injured Hardik Pandya leaves field during clash against Bangladesh. India vs Bangladesh ICC World Cup. Virat Kohli bowls in ODI after 6 years. India won Bangladesh by 7 wickets in which Virat Kohli's century made it easier to win. With this, I end up my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Christy. Everybody is aware of solar system. So let us hear the information about the solar system from knowledge.
Good morning to one and all present here in this morning assembly. Respected principals, teachers, and my dear Bosconians. I, the leaders of class 5B, standing in front of you to deliver today's speech. All the planets are part of our solar system and continuously revolve around the sun. Our solar system is a system of planets and other objects that orbit our sun. It consists of 8 planets that revolve around the sun, which is central to our solar system. These planets have broadly been classified into 2 categories that are inner planets and outer planets.
Thank you, Dolly, for the speech. How one can remain for the whole day without thinking. So, here is our today's thought by Kari.
Each and everyone, today's thought of the day is the roots of the education is bitter but the food is sweet. Thank you.
Thank you, Kari. Now, I would like to request our Reverend Principal, Father Augustine, to address.
Good morning to all of you. Once again, I give thanks to and then class 5B to all the way secondary assembly.